Yo, what's up, MetaVerse update fam? Get ready to dive headfirst into the future because we've got a firestorm of news hitting you fast. First up, get this. Solowin Holdings is making huge moves, merging with AlloyX in a monumental $350 million deal designed to build a Web3-ready financial bridge. We're talking about smashing together traditional finance with the bleeding edge of blockchain technology. This is going to redefine what's possible. Then, we've got a massive rebrand and strategic funding for MetaEra, which is now ME. They're securing the cash they need to supercharge their AI-powered Web3 platform. Imagine news, data, and markets all driven by artificial intelligence. ME is building that future, and they just got a massive boost to make it happen. And hold up, Upbit Indonesia is bringing the heat to Coinfest Asia 2025, not just with crypto education, but by blending Web3 and Sportainment. They're encouraging crypto literacy with a whole new vibe, mixing in yapping, social-fi, and even sports like paddle. It's all about making Web3 inclusive and seriously fun. Finally, we're diving deep into the critical world of Web3 data infrastructure, looking at the strategic partnerships and ecosystem dominance shaping 2025. Who's building what, and who's set to lead the charge? We've got all the insights you need. You don't want to miss any of this groundbreaking news, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Solowin and AlloyX forge a $350 million financial future. Get ready for a seismic shift in how traditional finance meets the decentralized world. Solowin Holdings has officially acquired AlloyX for a colossal $350 million, creating a powerful entity set to bridge the gap between established financial systems and the burgeoning Web3 ecosystem. This isn't just another acquisition. It's a strategic masterstroke aimed at revolutionizing stablecoin infrastructure and cross-border payments. The core of this deal lies in AlloyX's expertise in stablecoin infrastructure and institutional-grade asset tokenization. By integrating this with Solowin's established regulatory framework and presence in key financial hubs like Dubai and Singapore, the merged company is poised to become a dominant force, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. This move taps directly into the explosive growth of the stablecoin market, which has already surpassed $283 billion and continues to expand at an unprecedented rate. Investors like Fenbushi Capital, Longling Capital, and the Arbitrum Foundation have already shown strong backing for AlloyX, recognizing its potential to unlock new markets and services. What does this mean for you? It signifies a future where accessing and utilizing digital assets becomes smoother, more secure, and more integrated with your existing financial tools. With performance incentives tied to significant valuation milestones for AlloyX's leadership, the commitment to growth and innovation is clear. Solowin's broader strategy, including investments in licensed banks and the expansion of its tokenized fund with Chainlink data services, further cements its ambition to lead the charge in compliant digital finance. This monumental merger is just the beginning of how the financial landscape is transforming. Stay tuned because next, we're exploring how AI is set to redefine the entire Web3 media and market service space with a major rebrand and strategic funding. MetaEra rebrands as ME, fueling AI's Web3 revolution. Get ready for a major evolution in the Web3 media and market service sector. MetaEra, a name you know, is officially rebranding as ME and has just secured significant strategic funding, positioning itself at the forefront of an AI-powered Web3 future. This isn't just a name change. It's a strategic pivot to harness the power of artificial intelligence across their entire platform. With a pre-money valuation of $40 million and a fresh $2.5 million injection led by Fenbushi US, alongside major players like Hashkey Capital and Amber Group, ME is set to supercharge its development. The funds are earmarked for building a cutting-edge AI-powered platform that will integrate news aggregation, market data, event management, and more. This move aims to provide both institutional and consumer users with unprecedented efficiency and insight in the fast-paced Web3 world. The ME Group will operate through distinct verticals like ME Media for social growth, ME Event for conferences, and ME AI, which, in partnership with Biz Hong Kong, will launch CoinFound. a one-stop Web3 information aggregation platform featuring AI assistants and smart research reports. CEO Jessica Yang declared that AI and blockchain will reshape the digital asset economy, and ME is built for this vision. The market's strong consensus, reflected in the investment round, suggests a bright future for AI-driven intelligence in digital assets. This strategic move by ME signals a clear trend. The future of Web3 services will be intelligent, integrated, and incredibly powerful. As AI reshapes the digital landscape, the way we connect and build communities in Web3 is also evolving dramatically. Next, we're heading to Indonesia, where Upbit is blending crypto education with sports and social trends to foster a unique community vibe. Upbit Indonesia sparks crypto literacy with Web3 and Sportainment. Get ready for a fresh take on crypto engagement. Upbit Indonesia is making waves at Coinfest Asia 2025, not just by talking about blockchain, but by creating an inclusive and fun environment that blends Web3 education with the excitement of sports and social trends. They're proving that learning about crypto can be as engaging as a championship game. Upbit Indonesia kicked off their presence with a dynamic panel session on the Yap network, exploring the booming phenomena of yapping, essentially, active online conversations, and SocialFi, where social interactions are monetized. This session, featuring prominent crypto community figures, highlighted how engaging discussions and community ownership are crucial for the sustainability and growth of crypto projects. They've shown that building hype and fostering genuine interaction are key to unlocking value in the SocialFi ecosystem. Following this, they hosted Web3 Smash Day, a unique event combining paddle sports with networking for traders, investors, and the broader Web3 community. This Sportainment approach offers a relaxed yet effective way to build stronger connections and foster collaboration outside of traditional conference settings. According to Chief Operating Officer Risna Rainiati, Coinfest Asia is a vital platform for bringing together ideas and the global community, emphasizing that Web3 is about building strong connections. Upbit's strategy clearly focuses on boosting digital financial literacy and inclusion in Indonesia, believing that a solid understanding of trends like yapping and SocialFi prepares users for the digital future. The Sportainment initiative is a brilliant symbol of how the crypto world can become more accessible and integrated into everyday life, fostering a healthier and more sustainable ecosystem through fun and engagement. From fostering community through fun and games, we're now shifting gears to look at the very foundation of the digital universe. Next up, we're dissecting the crucial developments in Web3 data infrastructure and what it means for ecosystem dominance in 2025. Web3 data infrastructure, partnerships fueling ecosystem dominance in 2025. In the rapidly evolving world of Web3, the bedrock of innovation lies in its data infrastructure. As we navigate 2025, strategic partnerships and the race for ecosystem dominance are defining who will control the flow of information and power in the decentralized future. Understanding this landscape is crucial for anyone involved in the Web3 space. The development of robust and scalable data infrastructure is paramount for the growth and adoption of Web3 technologies. This includes everything from decentralized storage solutions and Oracle networks to data indexing and analytics platforms. Key players are forging strategic alliances to build out comprehensive ecosystems that can support the increasing complexity and demands of decentralized applications, DApps, DeFi protocols, and the MetaVerse. These partnerships often involve collaboration between infrastructure providers, DApp developers, and even traditional tech giants looking to integrate with Web3. We're seeing a trend where companies are not just building standalone solutions, but are actively seeking integration and interoperability. This collaborative approach is essential for creating a seamless user experience and unlocking the full potential of Web3. The companies that successfully navigate this landscape and establish dominant positions in data infrastructure will be instrumental in shaping the future of the internet and the digital economy. The focus is on security, efficiency, decentralization, and the ability to handle vast amounts of data reliably. Audience impact. Analysts are closely watching how these partnerships will impact market concentration and innovation. The drive for ecosystem dominance means that early movers with strong infrastructure and strategic alliances are likely to capture significant market share, potentially setting standards for the entire industry. This highlights the critical importance of decentralized data solutions for maintaining a truly open and accessible Web3. That's a wrap on our deep dives into the future of finance, AI in Web3, community building, and data infrastructure. But before you go, let's do a quick rundown of everything we covered. All right, MetaVerse update crew, that was a whirlwind tour of what's hot in Web3. We saw Solowin Holdings merge with AlloyX for $350 million, bridging traditional finance and Web3. Then, MetaEra rebranded to Me, securing funding to accelerate its AI-powered Web3 platform. We also checked out how Upbit Indonesia is boosting crypto literacy through fun Web3 and Sportainment events. And finally, we explored the crucial developments in Web3 data infrastructure partnerships shaping 2025. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your essential Web3 news, and ring that notification bell so you're always in the know. Got thoughts on these stories? Drop a comment below, we want to hear from you. And for real-time updates and behind-the-scenes action, follow us on all our social media channels. Stay plugged in, and we'll see you in the next update.